Hi, welcome to Simple or Not Kitchen. My name is Melissa, and here in Simple or Not Kitchen, we put some of those online cooking videos to the test. And today we have a super fun one for you. We are making a chocolate frozen treat that's much like ice cream, but it has no cream in it. We found this recipe on the Vitamix website, and we are using avocados and bananas for the creaminess rather than cream. To make this recipe, we're going to start with about 5½ cups of ice. We're also going to need some unsweetened cocoa powder. We also need a sweetener. We're using some honey. And we also need 3 bananas and 1 avocado. And that's it. That's all we need. And the first thing we're going to do, of course, is peel our 3 bananas. And I'll be honest, when I first decided to make this recipe, I was a bit skeptical that this could create any kind of a creamy or delicious dessert that resembled anything like ice cream. But it's one of those recipes that will pleasantly surprise you. I actually really liked it. Our first batch, I thought, did not come out sweet enough. I ended up having to add a little bit more sugar to it. But once I added the extra sugar, it was really delicious, and you really can't tell that there's no cream in it. This recipe is also super easy to make. We're just going to simply pop everything into our blender. As well as being a little bit healthier than regular ice cream, this recipe is also an awesome way to sneak a little bit of extra fruits and vegetables into your diet. Once everything is in the blender, we are going to go ahead and blend it on high for as long as it takes for everything to become fully incorporated with each other. And I have my blender all the way on high, and we are going to blend this for probably about 3 to 5 minutes until everything is fully incorporated into the mixture. You might need to use a tool to sort of push the ice and other ingredients down into the blades as it blends. And when it is all finished, it'll be nice and smooth and sort of a soft serve consistency. I felt that mine was a little bit too soft, and so to firm it up, I went ahead and stored it in the freezer for about an hour or so, and then it came out perfect. And this frozen treat does have the look and texture of real ice cream, and to eat it, you would never know that it doesn't have cream in it. However, this recipe was not very sweet when we first made it. I don't know if it was just that the ratio of honey was off, but I ended up adding sugar, and once I added the sugar, it was nice and sweet and really quite delicious. And no one will ever know it has avocado in it. It's really good. Thank you for watching Simple or Not Kitchen. For more recipes, videos, and articles, go online to PenalCentral.com.